अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैर आफियत से होंगे। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको पोर्शे 917 के बारे में बताऊंगी, लेकिन उससे पहले मेरी आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ में दिए हुए बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलिए, क्योंकि इससे हर नई मेरी आने वाली वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहेगा। तो चलिए वीडियो को ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करते, वीडियो को स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं। Porsche 917 in the sports prototype in the race car developed by the German and manufacturer Porsche 917 have gave Porsche its first over wins at the time of 24 hours in the Le Mans in 1970 and 1971, powered by the type of 912 flat of the engine. In all, over the time 2.3 in the second of 10 in mAh and second of the long tail in legend version ahead maximum measured sport in the speed of 1 kilometer in car of the features in Steve McQueen films of 2017 in the car drive of the McQueen in the film of slowed action and for the 14 meters records of prize in the Porsche in 14th anniversary in 917 in 2009. Porsche is held a special celebration and the effort of reduce the speed Le Mans and other fast critical of the unlimited capacity group of the prototypes in 7-liter fraud in all over the commission's portal. Internationals in the independent competition arm of the FI announced that the international championship and make would be runs of the 3-liter group of prototypes and 4 years off from the 1960s. Through this capacity reductions also server of entries measurements of prefecture who were already building 3 liters Formula 1 engines and adapt from the insurance racing while aware of the manufacturers were already the take up the challenge immediately in the SICSI and allowed the participations of give liter in group of 5 sports in cars the which of minimum of 50 units had to be the manufacturer. This target exits exciting cars like the engine of the Never of Cup. In April 1968, facing few interstates of the race, CSI announced that the minimum production figure of compete and sports in category of international championship to make later the World Sport Car Championship were reduced from the 25 starting in 1960 through allowed in the plan of 2 rules in 1971. The Farrier absence in 1961 mainly Porsche in all the force of enter there with the 4 bedding total failure as a result. Old 2.2 liter in purchase often won in the category with joint in liter of Ford and SK Mem. I am talking wins of the faster tracks. In all over the Mercedes in the CSI inspectors, only 3 cars were completed while 18 were being assembled in the 7 additional set of parts and were present purchases around. If they establish of car would they take have opened them apart again the prepare of cars for racing and inspector refused the homologations and as in the sea of 25 assembled of working cars. On March 12 in was displayed at the Gavin Motor in the show painted of the green in nose of the black in verified literatures in the car. 2 details of the cash prizes in and the absolutely exchange in the rates and to the price of the absence in the 10. This price did not cover the costs of the development. On April 20, Porsche head of the motorcycle and sports of the display 2000 prank in 19 in the Porsche factory of CSI inspectors and penny of offer opportunity to drive in the of cars which of the declined. The car chassis was designed in the hamulated board of the engine was assigned in the Merc, both half under leadership of the Indries. The car was built around a very light space frame in the chassis, which was the permanently processes of the gas and deducted trace of the welding structure. Power came from the new 4.5-liter air-cooled in design engine of the Merc and was combination of the two engines used of the previously racing in the car and engine features of the cylinder layout in the overhead champish shaft in all over the mountain grille's and feed of the two distributors in the large historical mountain cooling fan in also driven in from the centrally mountain gears and in the long gently in the muted of gearbox was designed to the take a rest in set for 4-5 gears in one keep of the car and impact deposit in the large engine of the driving position was so far forward of the purchasing an axle card in the were point of the front wheel axle. He had remarkable technology. It was purchased in the first 12 calendars in front wheel axle. The car had remarkable technology. It was the perceived first 12 cylinders in the engineer and used many compartments of the made in the mechanism of exciting alloys. He had been the developer of lightweight broadcast a hill in the clamel races and other methods of the weight reductions were the simple such as the making of gear shift compound in the branch wood. Some of the methods were not simple and such as using the trouble frame itself of the oil piping and front of the collier. There are a great latest varieties of 1970 in the original versions of the removable long, medium and tail of the attractive near wings of the flag, but ahead in the considerable heading in problem of high speed because of the specific rear of left handling and the wears of inactive joint test in the overseas factory the engineers and were new race team in the partner John Berry Engineering. After exclusive groups of the shorter than of the upwist of ways found to give car more endurance stably to the speed. ओके गाइस, उम्मीद है कि आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स कीजिएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।